Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to turn off disable YouTube shorts. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to block YouTube shorts. So first thing that you will do is go to your Google Play Store and search for Block Hero and install this application over here. And now guys, just open up the application on the Blocker Hero, and from here tap on agree and continue, and from here just check the box and turn it on. And now guys, once you turn it on, you can just go ahead and tap on the skip button here at the top. And then from here, as you can see, you will have multiple options that you can choose from. And as you can see here, block YouTube shorts. And from there, guys, just toggle over here. And then from there, you should be able to block your YouTube shorts on your device. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya.